BIM drafting teams spend hours every week manually placing tags on elements. It's repetitive, error-prone, and pulls drafters away from actual design work. Introducing RayCAD, a Revit plugin that can automatically tag ducts, air terminals, and flex ducts, cutting your tagging time by up to 80%. Here's how it works. First, you configure RayCAD to match your firm's standards. Choose which elements to tag, which tag families to use, and how densely to place them along the run. Once that's set up, just run the auto tag command, select your elements, and click Finish. Within seconds, RayCAD places all the tags automatically. If any tags couldn't be placed, usually due to tight spacing, a review panel pops up showing exactly which ones. Click the arrow next to any flag tag to jump straight to that element, make a quick manual adjustment, and resolve it. Take a look at the result. Clean, consistently placed tags across the whole drawing, with none of the manual back and forth. RayCAD handles both native Revit elements and fabrication elements, so it fits into your workflow regardless of which modeling approach your team uses. Try RayCAD today and see how much time you get back in your tagging process.